4 proven ways to make money with AI in 2025, a complete guide. Hey there, future AI entrepreneurs. Today we're diving into something incredibly exciting: how to turn artificial intelligence into your personal money-making machine. No complex coding required, just smart strategies that actually work. The AI gold rush is here. Let's be real, AI isn't just another tech trend. It's completely transforming how we make money online. What used to require entire teams of developers can now be done from your laptop. Pretty amazing, right? The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or have deep pockets to get started. All you need is the right strategy and the willingness to learn. Let's dive into 4 proven ways you can start making money with AI today. Strategy 1. AI-powered content creation. Content creation has never been easier thanks to AI. Here's how to turn this into a profitable venture. Use AI writing tools like AI that's built for marketing, Jasper or GrowthBar to create high-quality content. Focus on profitable niches like technology, business, or self-improvement. Publish on platforms like Medium, Substack, Oregon, your own blog. Monetize through subscriptions, affiliate marketing, and advertising. Pro tip: the key is adding your unique perspective and expertise to AI-generated content. This creates authentic, valuable content that readers love. Strategy 2. Creating AI online courses. The online education market is booming, and AI courses are in high demand. Here's your action plan. Choose a specific AI-related topic you're passionate about. Create comprehensive course materials using AI tools. Host your course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Build a marketing funnel using social media and email marketing. Remember, focus on practical, results-driven content that solves real problems for your students. Strategy 3. Developing AI tools. Don't worry, this doesn't require advanced programming skills. Here's how to get started. Identify common problems in your industry. Use no-code AI platforms to create simple solutions. Sell your tools on platforms like Gumroad. Implement a freemium model for sustained income. The secret sauce? Focus on solving specific problems for specific audiences. Niche down to stand out. Strategy 4. AI-enhanced affiliate marketing. This is where AI becomes your secret weapon for scaling affiliate income. Use AI for market research and trend analysis. Create personalized email campaigns with tools like SmartWriter, which personalizes cold emails with AI. Automate social media posting and content creation. Track and optimize performance using AI analytics. The magic happens when you combine AI automation with authentic relationship building. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.